This is Speak English channel, and I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj Firdausi. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, as usual, it is the same lamenting story of English speaking. English speakers in India, especially in the South Asian countries. Even if you include Asian countries, doesn't make any difference. Even the Middle East, Far East, and only the people who can't speak English are these, except Britain and America. UK and USA are the only two countries which are the perfect speakers, native speakers of English. Other than these two countries, the other countries of the world have to learn English, have to learn how to speak English. I have been telling you, you are very good at grammar, structure, writing, spelling, everything. But you are worst at speaking, delivering the language. The way that you speak makes people laugh in those countries. They can't understand what language is this. So, they have termed Indian English as Indian English. It's a very, very, very bad thing. It's something shame on the people who speak Indian English, Pakistan English, Chinese English, Bangladesh English, Sri Lankan English, Middle East English. Why? When you learn any language, you have to be perfect in grammar, structure, reading, comprehension, and the most important thing is about speaking, delivery of the language. I saw thousands and thousands of people on YouTube. They stand there to teach English. And I'm very sorry to say that they don't know even English. They don't know how to speak. Their English is right as far as writing is concerned or reading is concerned. That's all. Nothing more. There are skills, reading skills, writing skills, listening skills, speaking skills. Listening, okay, you understand. Reading, you can read and comprehend. You can write grammar, structure, punctuations. What is left now is speaking. Speaking any language in the world, any language needs the perfection in your speaking. If your language is Hindi, and if someone says, ye jaruri nahi, the worst language which people speak even now, the educated people in India, jaruri. Gajal, ghazal, gajal. This is not the way. Fir kya hua? Fir. Where is that fa? Fir. So, the problem is their own language. They can't even speak their own language. How about English? Forget about it. They can't even dream of that, speaking on English properly. How do you speak then? Anyone, not only me, anyone who has done his PGDT, PGCT, CIFL from Central Institute of Foreign Languages and phonetics classes, who did a course of 2 years, only he or she can speak like a native speaker. I am speaking to you. I did my PhD from UK. The university from UK, and masters and masters and masters and masters. That masters are different. But only thing that helped me is my speaking from Central Institute of English and Foreign Languages. So what do you suggest, doctor? I suggest only one thing. Our India is 0, 0, 0, 0. Even if the student or the candidate or the person I am speaking to is a professional, PhDs, masters, lecturers, professors. But in our country, if they are there and they speak Indian English, 0, 0, 0, 0. Better not to speak English. Let them speak anything they want. If you do it perfectly. If you have got to ride a bicycle, you must learn. If you have got to drive a car, you must understand everything. Not simply just seeing someone is driving, oh, you can. How many people are there on the televisions I watch, on the YouTubes? Oh, come on, 15 minutes every day. Crazy, nonsense. They don't have brains. Even the people who listen also don't have brains. Only 15, confidence, full confidence. Nonsense confidence. Everything needs a perfect programming, a perfect learning strategy, learning program, a perfect learning schedule, a learning method. Everything. Wrestling you need. For your exercise, you need a tutor. For anything that you are painting, arts, dance, music, if someone sees someone singing so nicely, I can also sing. Crazy world, crazy people. Confidence doesn't help anyway. Hard work is the only way. Hard work. Your English is okay in writing, reading and understanding, listening. Forget about it, I am not interested in that. Because you can do that from the very beginning. You have been doing that right from your LKG, HKG. But what about now? You are standing and giving the presentations and presenting this to the world. You are so-called the professionals, masters and standing over there, ladies and gentlemen. They not only go outside and speak Indian English, but they spoil the name of India. Sorry. Rahul Gandhi once said recently, we have to give importance to English because that's a foreign language, foreign people, and we have to expand. What we are doing now, we are going to confine ourselves to the love of our state language, our own language of a state. A man from Karnataka with Kannada, he can't go to the other states with his language to do anything. Because they have their own language, the others have their own language. Tamil Nadu is Tamil. It's okay for them as far as the basics are concerned, that's enough. Why can't you just have the international? Because the world expanding. There are no boundaries for business, strategies, training, programs. So, if at all you are going to speak to someone outside the countries, you have to have English. Speak English as speak English. Speak English as English. Speak English as English. Not like Indian English, Pakistani English, Chinese English, Middle East English, Arabic English. Please, don't speak that kind of English. Learn everything. We need to change that attitude of India. And the complete Asian countries should take care of that. I have the programs, I have everything. Those people who run big institutes and the colleges and the universities and the schools, contact me. The number is given. I will teach them, I will tell them the solution, how they can plant this perfect spoken English, native speakers English. And when we people go outside and speak, the people must say that that's English, that's our English. The native speakers should say. We can't make out any difference. See how nicely he speaks, like a native speaker says. That's what I wanted. ladies and gentlemen, especially the teachers, the professors, the lecturers. Please, please, please stop your English. Close it. If you can't speak, close it. And especially those people who try to give news, information in English on YouTube. If you can't even speak proper native speakers English, don't speak. Shut your mouth. Use your language. If at all it is English, speak English as English. That's all. This is the message from Dr. Taj Firdausi. I have my own special programs to give to the people who run the institutes and all that. Let them contact me and then I will give them the programs. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.